Guys, yung pangarap ko lang dati, nandito na tayo. I can't believe it. It's really good having in here, and as what you have seen, it's really a paradise on earth. The color is different, the trees, the mountains, and of course, there are a lot of people here who are enjoying the moment. I just miss my mom. I hope my mom is here. Good morning everyone. So guys, outfit check muna tayo. So for today, I have color blue and that one. So guys, kain muna tayo sa labas. Hey man, hello everybody, this is Heman, your everybody. Welcome back to my channel. So this morning we are planning to go to Banff National Park, which is one of the most popular spot here in Canada. So I am so excited. We will be starting our tour. Today is 7:40 in the morning. So see you there guys. So guys, we will be traveling for 2 hours, and our first stop will be at the Banff Lake, and afterwards we will be exploring the town of Banff, and afterwards we're gonna eat. Good thing to know guys is that sa yung mountain na pupuntahan natin, may mga snow pa daw. So makikita natin yung mga snow na naiwan kasi 2 weeks ago talagang punong-puno pa rin daw ng snow yung mga mountains na yun. So sana may maabutan pa tayo. So this is my first time to encounter or na-experience natin yung snow sa pupuntahan natin. What do we have here? Oh, that's a lake. Oh my god, so cold! Oh my god. A paradise on earth, guys. That's the lake and a mountain full of snow, and that one is construction, I think. So guys, ito na nga, ang ganda oh. Sobrang lamig. Guys, sobrang lamig. Ah, oh my god. Hindi ko na kaya. Ito yung first time ko maka-encounter yung sobrang lamig guys. And the thing is, hindi lang ito yung pinakamalamig sa Canada kasi considered as summer to sa kanila. And as what you could see guys, may mga ice pa rin. Yung mga ice na daw yan is since August pa yan. So nagme-melt na daw yan. So patapos na yan. And sobrang ganda. You just have to prepare yourself for having a jacket kasi sobrang lamig guys. And ayun yung mga kasama ko. Ang dami nagpapapicture na. Anong pakiramdam? Malamig?
Sobra!
Sobrang lamig.
Sa loob ng rep.
Oh my God.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step.
Guys, ang haba ng train, no? Kanina pa yan. Hindi matapos-tapos.
See that? No, it's kind of hard to see the lakes. There's three separate lakes here.
A few moments later.
So ito na nga guys, kakarating lang natin and this will be the start of our long journey. So aakyat tayo sa lake. We will be walking for 3 hours and before on that, mag-CR muna tayo. So malamig pa rin and as what you observe, lahat ng mga taong to pupunta sa taas. So guys, dyan tayo aakyat. Ito na nga guys. We are waiting for the others. Aakyat tayo para makita natin yung St. Louis Lake, which is yung pinaka-color blue. Guys, ang ganda. It's a paradise on earth. You see yung snow. The snow makes look nicer.
$2,000 years later.
You see, ang laki. You see, that's the Rock Mountains and as you could see, there are a lot of snow. And ayan, ang dami nagpapapicture. Tara, tara. Saan sila? Tayo yata na una eh. So guys, nandito nga tayo. Sobrang lamig and it's really color blue. That's deep blue. Alam mo yung kulay ng Maldives? Yan mismo yung kulay niya. Ayan, ang daming tao nagpapapicture dito. Iba't ibang lahi. Ang daming mga Pinoy dito and hey, hey, hey. That's the mountains. Ayan, may mga snow. Ang galing. The best. And as you could see, there are some itineraries na pwede kayo mag-rent ng boat. Kung yan ang hilig nyo, ayun no. But that's really competitive. You can't really do that. And I think that's quite expensive. See, you would never tired of this scene. Talagang, it's good, it's perfect. So guys, we are hiking now. And that's the Victoria Peak. Yan daw yung nagbibigay ng color sa lake na yan. And Ito nga, naglalakad tayo. We are gonna do the other lake. To check natin. Ang lamig. Sobrang lamig. My God. You see, you would never tired of that view. It's really a paradise on earth. Oh my God. You see the color, the view, the mountains, the trees, and the people around here. That's what makes this one as a special. Ang dami nagpapapicture. Iba't ibang nationality may nandito. Ayan guys. Ang cute ng doggy. Ganda guys, ha? So we will try. Hawakan natin yung water para at least masabi natin kung ano yung pakiramdam. Is it cold? Oh my God, ang lamig. Parang ice water. Ang ganda guys. Some would do like they just remove their shoes and experience the water. One more time for the lake St. Louis. So pabalik na tayo sa bus natin kasi binigyan lang kami ng 30 minutes to roam around. Then since nakuha naman natin yung mga shots na gusto natin, balik na tayo. Kasi we are planning to search kung ano yung kakainin namin. Kung saan kami kakain. Balik tayo sa bus. And kahit sa pagbalik mo guys, ang ganda pa yun ng view. That what? Parang mountains talaga yung makikita mo dito. Iba-iba yung mga nationality na pumupunta dito. Tapos makikita mo kung ano yung mga sinasabi nila. Ang ganda ng St. Louis Lake. The color, lahat na-amaze. Ako nakailang sabi na ako na appreciation, hindi ko na mabila kung ilang beses ko na sinabing, ang ganda, ang galing. So, wala lang, nakakapanibago siya guys. Kasi hindi mo ma-expect na makakapunta ka sa ganitong lugar. Kung saan, dati, wini-wish mo lang na makapunta. Na ngayon, talagang nakikita mo na siya. It's really worth it. Fulfilling and parang it's a big check for my bucket list.
One eternity later.
Guys, another view. Oh my God. Ganda. Ang lamig pa rin. Guys, that's the falls. Ang lakas ng current to. Tapos, pwede kayo umakyat dyan sa mga stone na yan. Tapos, pwede ka mag-pass through daw dyan. Tapos, ang daming nagbi-beach daw dyan minsan. Pag summer talaga, pag mainit na. That's why. Ayan, may boating doon, no? Pwede. Guys, ang lamig pa rin. That's the falls. Pwede sana tayo umakyat doon, kaso malayo. We only have 10 minutes here to wait for our shots to enjoy the moment. And as you could see, ang lamig pa rin. Ang dami mga turista, ang dami nagpapapicture dito. So we just have to move forward. Tingnan natin yung spot na nandun. Tapos sa paligid, puro pines yung mga puno dito. Yung mga pines na yan, nasa mga malalamig na lugar lang naman yan eh.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked up.
A few moments later.
Guys, maghahanap tayo na makakainan. Kasi gutom lang lahat. We would be having our lunch. So ito yung mga sikat na restaurant dito sa Banff. Saan tayo?
Google Maps na lang daw niya.
Wala pa naman akong wifi.
Steakhouse.
Two salmon benedicts, or you're just sharing all this food?
Just share.
Just for sharing. Thank you, thank you.
I'll take the picture.
Kanina ito.
Sa atin yata, tatlo tayo dyan. Ang daming restaurant dito guys, pwede kayong kumain. So habang hinihintay natin yung time, kasi 3:30 pa yung meet up namin. So we just have to roam around na lang. And considering na mainit yung panahon, pero ang lamig pa rin eh. Summer pa rin dito eh. So ang dami pa yung naglalakad. Mga foreigners, yung mga tao dito. Ayan.
Aren't these gorgeous?
Yeah.
Well, this gallery here, and there's one a little bit further down, uses the same sort of technique, and then they print it on the metal.
Yeah, for exhibit, right?
Oh yeah, well yeah, he sells stuff that you
Okay.
basically take and hang on your wall.
So this one, ito yung mga nakita natin guys, and this is during winter season dito sa Calgary. Ayan. So ang ganda ng stores nila guys. Alam mo yung ano to, inspired by the Harry Potter. Ba yung mga store nila. Ang galing. So libot-libot lang tayo. Window shopping lang muna tayo kasi in the first place wala pa naman akong Canadian money or Canadian dollar. Dito sa Calgary. And of course, mahaba yung pila. So we are gonna fall in line. Sabi nga nila, we just have to fall in line kasi there's no glory without sacrifice. So guys, heto na nga. Bumili tayo ng ice cream. Tikman natin. Guys, ang sarap. Oh my God. This is 6 Canadian dollar. Ang sarap. First scoop is 6 Canadian dollar. So balik tayo ng bus namin. Kasi paalis na kami. 3:30 is we have to go back to our bus. Sarap.